Good morning. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, what we do in the mornings for breakfast. Gonna make a smoothie here, healthy smoothie. Great getting the gut going, getting some good stuff in there. You could use a different variety of fruits. This is just what I'm using today, but you can do different things, pineapples, other different types of berries and things like that. I'm gonna stick in some bananas first. That's our base. It tastes really good, a lot of health values in there. The berry families are really good for you. A lot of good nutritional things. So there's some strawberries, some blueberries, really good for you there. We stick a couple of powders in ours. The first one that I'm going to stick is a green powder. This is moringa powder. We buy it in these little packages, organic moringa powder. Really high in vitamins and nutrition. And then the other one that we're going to use is it's more of a brownie powder, and that's amla powder. Now amla powder is really bitter to the taste, so you want to get a feel for how it works with you, but really high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and all that good stuff. So there's going to be 5 of us who are going to be taking this. So not huge glasses, little 8-ounce glasses. And so stick a heaping teaspoon. Then with that, we have an unsweetened almond milk. So I'm going to shake that up. Again, it's great to get organic whenever you can. I'm going to stick in about just a mug's worth of it in there. And just so that the fruit is basically nearly covered. And then this is all just full of so much good stuff that your body needs. And here's the real gut ingredient in it all, and this is kefir. And basically what we do is kefir, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a white pasty stuff in the bottom. It gives healthy bacteria into your gut. And so what we do is we have that in there, and we put coconut water in here. It sits for 24, 48 hours. It even, let me see, I just opened this not long ago, so we're going to listen. It actually starts to, when it ferments and all the good bacteria gets in there, it starts fizzing up. There you go. And you occasionally, when you're letting that, so what we do is we put that and leave that in a dark cupboard and out of the sunlight, and then that's how that stuff is growing. It's good as well have a sealed type of lid on it, so it keeps bad bacteria from getting into it. We've had this for maybe a month and a half. We've been told that probably after 3 or 4 months you might need to replace it. Don't know. So, but anyway, so I'm gonna stick in. Let's just see here how it looks. See, it's like a soda drink or something like that. But again, this is just really good for your gut. I think I'm gonna stick in one and a half of them. Okay. Now we've got our little Thermomix here, which is great, which does so many different things. But right now I'm just going to use it as a blender. So if you're familiar with the Thermomix, you'll know what I'm doing with the settings. If not, basically you can just stick in a blender, stick on the lid. I'm going to do it for let's see here, 20 seconds maybe. And I'm going to just turn it up all the way. All right, and that's what it looks like. And it actually tastes amazing. Let me get out glasses for everybody here. Alright. This is a good way again to kickstart for everybody. Oh, that one's got a little bit of fruit. So guess what? Kids don't like the chunks, so back in she goes for another 10 seconds. Sometimes it does that towards the bottom. Alright. And hopefully I think we just have enough. with a little left over.